Let's take a look at how to create a view in SQL. A view is a virtual table based on the result sets of an SQL statement. Now a view will contain rows and columns just like a real table, and the fields in the views are fields from one or more real tables in the database. So you're able to create an SQL statement using functions to create the view and present the data as if it was coming from one single table in the database. The syntax to create the view will be the create view keyword. Then you'd provide the name of the view. So this is the name that you want to use for the view you're creating, followed by the as keyword, and then the SQL statement that will be used to form this view. Let's take a look at this in practice to get a better understanding as to how to go about creating the view as well as using the view. So today we'll be looking at three tables: our employees table, our products table, and our sales table. So let's execute to see the records that are present. So we have 2 records in the employees table, 4 in the products table, and 6 in the sales table. We'll be creating a view that will identify the first and last name of the employees, the items that they've sold, as well as the quantity of the items and the total sales for that item that they have sold. So in creating the view, we'll start off by using our create view keyword, then the name that we'll want to give to the view. So in this case, it will be V employees with sales. Then we'll use the as keyword, and this is the SQL statement that we're going to use to form this view. So we're going to be selecting records from our employees table, our sales table, and our products table, and it will be listed out by providing the employee ID first. Then we're using the concat WS function to join the first and last name from the employees table and represent that as a full name. We're returning the title, the name of the product, the price, the quantity, and then we're going to be doing some calculations by multiplying the price times the quantity and rounding it to 1 decimal place and representing that as item sales total. So we're going to highlight and execute this now. So we have successfully created our view. So to utilize our view now, we'll treat the view just as if we're doing a regular select statement on any table. So we'd say select star from, and we just name the table. In this case is V employees with sales. So if we're to execute this now, what we have returned to us is a table that is seemingly created, existing in the database, that has the employee ID, full name, title, product name, price, quantity sold, and the item sales total. So this is a virtual table, not an actual table that is in the database, but the view allows for the records to be seen here and will always be represented when additional records are added to any of these tables. So any new records in the employees table with new sales from new products will be represented when this view is executed. So this is just a quick look at how to go about creating a view as well as using a view in SQL.